Hey, good people. Isn't this the strangest pruning that you've ever seen? You know, if you want more good gardening tips and how to avoid some of the anomalies you see like this, be sure to subscribe. Crush the bell so that you know every time we post, which is typically on Sunday, but you can watch our reels and our shorts on some of the other platforms. But we love to give good gardening tips, and by all means, send me questions. I'd love to answer your questions and put together some videos based on the things that you're struggling with or you have questions over. This is courtesy of the local deer population that like to come along and, as it were, eat from the salad bar. This is what I call so many of the plants that we put in the landscape is we seem to like to favor the same plants that the deer love. Now they make a netting or mesh that you can put up in front of these. You can either string it along the whole line or wrap individual, but the deer, they're just standing on all fours and nibbling as they go along. Now, the other thing that you could possibly do is to work, as it were, with the deer and to take and keep these all in that same sort of tight columnar by trimming, but that's not typically why we want an arborvitae. We want arborvitae because they make beautiful hedges. So we want to do things to keep the deer away. Now, there are deer repellents that you can buy at your local garden center or nursery. There are a number of DIY where you can take different types of soaps or perfumes and mix them in a hand can, a bottle sprayer, and you can spray the foliage, and that has been one of the popular deterrents to keep the deer off of your plants as well. If you've got some good ideas and there's some things that you have done that have been successful, by all means, share it with the rest of us, because the deer, depending upon the local population, can really be frustrating. You can see, if you'll turn around here with me, how close we are to the mountains, and we have a very, very active population of mule deer along here that come right out of the canyons, and they like to snack on the salad bar that is our landscape. So again, follow along with us. Hit the bell so we can share in our gardening experience, and we'll see you in the garden.